Hi, I'm James Redburn. We are in Magdalene College, Fellows Garden. This is a song called Photos. Leafing through an old photograph album, one lazy afternoon, wiping layer upon layer of dust off the places I've forgotten I'd seen, and some that I'd never been. Catches my eye of my mother, my brother and I, together with arm around shoulder, makes me think, though I'm not so much older, how much things have changed. We all still stare, happy without a single care, and no idea of what's to come. And it damn near breaks my heart to think that's me there. To be sad on your own, 5 minutes at the max. I'll put the picture up on my wall. When I see it, I'll remember it all. It's in a different back the past. I was happy then, I'll be happy again. These tiny little squares are all I need to remind me, to make me believe that I can get past anything. Okay, this song is called Landlocked. I wrote it with my brother. He wrote the chords, I wrote the words, so collaboration. Here we go. I met you for 15 minutes and 45 seconds last night. tippy toes to stretch to my height, but my mate shoved my shoulder, just having a laugh, and your maxi dress slipped from my grasp. In a moment I've lost you, you rejoin the others, and you fall into another bloke's arms. You didn't think I was special, did you? I was just another mark on your tally chart of boys you've deceived into thinking that they mattered. Oh, there's plenty more fish in the sea, you'll say, but I'm landlocked, baby, no one can reach me. Should it really be so hard to find me someone in the dark who doesn't need vodka to think I'm worth catching? Typically the music bumps methodically, it's pitch perfect, polished to clean. It's not written, it's produced, they're not songs, they're just tunes, yet they're lauded by the media machine. I notice you leaving, cradled in his arms, at the time know where you're going. Yeah, you're smiling, I see, but that's not what you'll be in the morning. Oh, there's plenty more fish in the sea, you'll say, but I'm landlocked, baby, no one can reach me. Should it really be so hard to find me someone in the dark who doesn't need vodka to think I'm worth catching?